How to fix Roblox chat not working problem. To do this, open the browser. After opening the browser, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the options. After opening Settings, click Privacy and Security from the left menu, then Third-party cookies, and then See all site data and permissions. To find Roblox among the sites, type Roblox in the search bar. After doing this, click the trash icon and then click Delete to continue. Close browser and press Windows and R keys simultaneously. After opening Run, type local app data with %sign at beginning and end. In the folder that opens, locate temp and double-click it. Similarly, find Roblox inside temp and right-click to delete it. This will clear Roblox's cache files, not the game itself. After clearing the cache files, you can check whether the Roblox chat not working problem is solved or not. Additionally, if you can't open the chat by hovering your mouse over it, you can also open the chat using the period key or slash key.